airport of Miami. I just walked up these couple stairs here. As you can see, I'm not that high up, maybe 15 feet or so. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take you guys for a ride on a worm gear elevator. You may never get a chance to use one of these, so enjoy the ride. Okay, now that I'm inside, I can I'm trying to zoom out for everybody. I'm going to shut this door. Now I'm inside the elevator of the crane. I'm going all the way to the top, 4. And any minute now we should start going up. Here we go. Videotaping as we go up this elevator. It's quite noisy. It's very rattly. But we are going way up. Still climbing. So I'm going to step back. I'm going to open this up, push this, and now 175 feet in the air, slightly different view from before. Very beautiful. That's downtown Miami over there. And Star Island and all that is over here. So I hope you enjoyed your ride. Have a good one.